Ever wondered how a simple story could transform into a full animated film? What if AI could do it autonomously, crafting seamless scenes with consistent characters and fluid transitions? Researchers at Harbin Institute of Technology and Alibaba have cracked this code with AniMaker, a system that redefines automated storytelling. Let's unpack the challenge. Traditional video generation tools struggle with long-form narratives. They produce disjointed clips, like assembling a movie from random scenes without a director. Chaos, essentially. AniMaker solves this by mimicking a multi-agent film crew, each role optimized for specific tasks. First, the director agent acts as the narrative architect. It doesn't just generate content. It crafts a storyboard, mapping out the story's structure to maintain coherence. Think of it as the script supervisor, ensuring every scene aligns with the overarching plot. Next, the photography agent brings the storyboard to life. Here's where it gets technical. It leverages MCTS-Gen, a search strategy inspired by Monte Carlo tree search, MCTS. This algorithm explores countless video clip options, balancing creativity and efficiency. Imagine a tree diagram where each branch represents a potential scene. MCTS-Gen navigates this hierarchy, pruning less viable paths to select the most contextually fitting clips. But raw clips aren't enough. The reviewer agent steps in with AniEval, the first system designed to assess narrative cohesion. Unlike traditional tools that evaluate clips in isolation, AniEval analyzes how scenes connect. It checks character consistency, action flow, and transitions, ensuring the story doesn't just make sense, it feels seamless. Finally, the post-production agent stitches everything together. It syncs audio, adds voiceovers, and refines the final output, mimicking a director's touch. The result? A polished, professional-grade animation. What sets AniMaker apart? It's not just about generating video, it's about narrative intelligence. By evaluating clips in context and using MCTS-Gen's efficient search, it avoids the random scene pitfalls of older systems. Experiments show it outperforms existing tools in both quality and speed, bridging the gap between AI and human-level storytelling. So next time you watch an animated film, consider this. AI is no longer just a tool for creators, it's becoming a collaborator. With systems like AniMaker, the future of storytelling might not just be automated. It might be artistic. Curious about how AniMaker turns text into animation? Hit subscribe for deeper explorations into AI's evolving role in creativity.